Really hard month for daycares in the area, from being the subject of fraud claims to then funding cuts and now these immigration raids. Sammy heard from 3 child care centers today about their experiences with federal agents coming to their centers. Sammy.
So Jana, all 3 daycare centers spoke with us on the condition of anonymity because they were all worried that if ICE knew they were talking to the media, they would be targeted again. So one Spanish immersion daycare director told us that one of their workers was taken by ICE in their parking lot last week. A different Spanish immersion program told us multiple workers were detained by ICE in separate circumstances away from their campuses. But in both instances, I was told their workers could legally work in the U.S. Another Metro daycare owner told me they were visited by Homeland Security investigations agents who asked to come into their daycare center to investigate for fraud. She said they did not present a warrant and left after she told them that she didn't want to talk. We spoke with Kids Count on Us, an organization that advocates for childcare.
These raids are traumatic for children. They're traumatic for the staff in the building, and they're also traumatic for the communities. Childcare centers are spaces where children should be safe and well cared for. And when these type of activities happen, all of that breaks down, which results into trauma for children, trauma for parents, trauma for the community.
And just today, St. Paul child care leaders put out a release asking the city council to address what they call escalating safety concerns and harassment at local child care centers. We have reached out to DHS for comment, but we didn't hear back. Jana.
Yeah, Sammy, no matter how people feel about immigration enforcement, we see, and we saw this, I remember in Chicago, when we were going into daycares and stuff like that woman said, the kids can see it, and it is scary.
Exactly. And so one thing that parents and volunteers are doing, they're setting up these networks that we've seen in neighborhoods where people are standing guard in the parking lot, are making sure that people can get to and from their homes, their workers are okay. So we've seen that too.